This is my website. If I'm clicking for news or live news, just here, see this one first option. I go to the live news. First, indexing the main URL using for Google Webmaster. The website will be indexed or not. How to check? First of all, copy this URL, paste for your Google search engine. See this one is indexing here. This is for your live news. In this live news, for indexing this URL, for where? Google Webmaster. First of all, copy for only for URL extension. We already discussed. If you are not indexing, they showing not perfect ads. See this one. You will be disabled. You will be not enabled for this. So what we will do? Go to the search console. Here the option called is scroll fetch as Google. Here is a doubt how to you can indexing this one. First go to search console. This is for your complete Google Webmaster. Any kind of setup on your websites will be there by your screens. Here, first you can select your website here. Which website are you selecting for indexing? Will be list will be there in the header here. Option call is South Hill News. Now, see here. Crawl address, search analytics, site maps. Now here. What is going to the search traffic, crawl, Google index. The Google index will be dependent by your sitemap or your crawlings. See here. Next status. How many total index? 893. But just come to your sitemap. You know how many submitted here? 33. By indexing, how many links are? 893. Clear? Is the difference. Your sitemap is mandatory. For indexing, for checking for where? Google Webmaster. So out of 33, how many will be indexed? Only for 23. So right now, fetch as Google help for the Google index process. Fetch as Google index for Google index process. Fetch as Google. Now click the URL extension here. Click for fetch. After that, they will calling here. They showing for status index here. Sometimes they showing for not reachable. That is called URL will be problem. The time you have checked this option here, refresh. Here two reasons. One is called internet issue. They not reach for the perfectly. Second thing is your URL problem with the indexing. So the reason is just select the 1 second option here. Just go to Webmaster. Click this option here. Click for fetch. Now, problem is internet. My internet not reaching for the indexing purpose. Previous is done. Now will be problem with the internet. So internet will be not captured. They will be called temporarily unreachable. Is it clear? Now just here, come this one, refresh, but copy this URL where Google search engine, paste it, enter. Is indexing? No. Just wait for the 1 minute time. Index will be started. Why? Here is submitted, but problem is not taking for your URLs.